I bought this power bank about 2 years ago and it was originally marketed as a 60 ampere hour pack. Recently the capacity has been dropping off and it's been charging ridiculously fast, like in about an hour. So I took it apart and I had a look. Inside there's room for 6 cells and they gave me 3. So it's actually a 30 ampere hour pack. So today I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to make it what I paid for. Oh look, screws. Let's get a suitable implement to encourage the two halves to separate. Brute force and gentle persuasion is in order. I'm levering things with a scalpel. Ooh. I'm a professional idiot. Come on, you bastard. These are 1260110 cells. Now I've discovered that they're 10 ampere hour and we've got 3 in parallel. That means 30 ampere hour. So somebody has conned me because they told me when I bought it, it was 60 ampere hour. So I overpaid for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off. Now this will hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will hold a potential 6 cells. And it will fit in here. It's going to be tight, but yeah, they will actually fit in there. Now, I found out that they're 89 baht each, delivered from Thailand. So I'm going to order 6 of these. I'm going to take all these off. I'm going to redo the whole lot. Well, the new cells have arrived. You can see how much these have swollen up quite a lot. What I'm doing is I'm getting the cells methodically. I've got to go through every one of them and make sure that they're exactly the same voltage, which I'm just charging them all up to 3.970 volts because that's the voltage of one of them, so that's what I've charged them all up to. Now with these things here, I've got to get these off. I'm going to get my pliers like that and just gently twist and hope that it doesn't pull the tags off. There's one. On the battery cells you can see there it says negative and that says positive. So positive on the left, but on that negative's on the left. Get rid of all the old flux and God knows what that's left on there. So this now goes that way. Boom. What I recommend you do is isolate things just to make things safe. Just disconnect one of the terminals off the controller or something like that. It's not going to make you 100% safe, but you know, I'd recommend you take it off this side, not this side. I have got my favourite secure SQ SW3 spot welder charging up here. All these have been cleaned off again with contact cleaner, electrical cleaner. I think I'm going to start with a 2 millisecond pulse. This spot welder is everything you need all in one. You don't need any extra batteries, you just need the spot welder. I've used it many times. I haven't put it on video because, well, I don't see the need to put it on video every single time, but I use it quite a lot. Oh, you so that was a bit of a dirty point. And when you're spot welding as well, you have to make sure that you push down quite firmly, because if you don't, you get arcing across the joint, and that's what causes sparks. I think that'll do. When I finish with this, I'll weigh it for you, so as you know whether you've got a fake or a genuine one of these. And it's quite literally now double the capacity, and it weighs a lot more than it did. So what I'm going to do, at the bottom of the screen, I'm going to put the weight now. I'm going to put the weight of one of these cells so you can then calculate how many cells you've got inside your battery. I think that's the easiest and the best way to do it. I've been using this now for 2 weeks and the capacity has significantly improved. I used to charge it probably every night, but now I charge it every 4 or 5 days. I use it on an evening to charge my tablet, my phone or anything else when I'm sitting on the sofa and doing absolutely nothing on an evening, watching movies, YouTube videos or whatever. So 2 years after buying a 60 ampere hour power bank, I finally have one. But unfortunately, I had to make half of it myself. It was marketed as a 60, bollocks, shit, hour. maybe oh no, it's not a power pack. What's it called? It's a power bank. Yeah. I am a professional idiot.